When you purchase your elderberry syrup, you will receive information that goes along with it. For me, my elderberry syrup is shipped to me, and so it comes beautifully packaged with love and care, but it also comes with information provided to me to look over so that I know the true benefits of the syrup and testimonials, the pamphlets, different things like that, so that I am an informed customer. That would be the same for you. So I thought I would read what is on this flyer that I received because I love the way it's written and I think it's just beautifully said and I wanted to share it with you. Renew, restore, repair. Embrace wellness. Be patient with your body. Respond with kindness. Experience the handcrafted formula that supports a strong immune system, enhances skin health, promotes restful sleep, and supports joint health. The POE is packed with potent antioxidants, antiviral, and anti-inflammatory properties. Love the journey. Isn't that beautiful? Love the journey.